No one wants to see this. It's just a waste of money. Another otherwise perfectly fine bolt gun with a ding. As most home builders do, I also used carpet strips. These are 25 centimeters wide and about 50 centimeters long, or in imperial that's about 10 inches wide and 20 inches long, and you just let's see out of the shadow, you just stack the whole thing to a nice pile and then you clamp them. But instead of using wood, I'm just using wrap it around your hand, and you can just start pulling until you can't pull any harder. The camera out of the way, I just pulled the straps, so it's really tight, and well, it's quite a job. But now we're left with just an ordinary target, but we aren't. We'll flip it over, and this is our target. Why? If you shoot downwards, like everyone does who lives in the suburb, you don't want to shoot the neighbors across the street. You'll see what happens. You are piercing the carpet pieces, and it's just thin aluminium, and if one carpet piece doesn't want to work, you get the idea of the arrow which wants to follow that. Easy way out, and you get a bent arrow. Another benefit of this is to have two nice straps which can hold in to my hand and bring it over to where I have my stand. I don't have a fence behind the garden, so I improvised by putting two plates behind it. Okay, so let's test the bugger and see how it does. Oh. First arrow, okay. Second arrow, worthless. Now let's try to view it from a different angle. This should be interesting. No idea where I'm aiming at. Oh, I managed to hit the target, barely. Okay, well, that's it for the target. And see that one penetrated and just barely. Let's assume to say that if you spin it a bit harder, that it will stop any arrow from a distance of about 20 feet or so. Okay, that's it for now. See ya. Bye.